Today we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo Essential and the iRobot Roomba 694. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's start by taking a look at each vacuum's design and build quality. Looking at the combo, you will notice on the top that the iRobot logo is front and center with 3 control buttons in a row above it. The 694, on the other hand, has its 3 control buttons front and center with the iRobot logo directly above it. The finishes also are different on both vacuums, with the combo being more matte, while the 694 is more glossier. The 694 has a more dated feel, while the combo is more minimal and modern, taking design cues from the I and J series Roombas. The differences continue when you flip the units over. Looking at the bottom, you'll notice the combo has a single V-shaped brush, while the 694 has dual multi-surface brushes that auto-level. The combo also supports mopping with an included mop pad that snaps in place. Internally, you will find the combo has a 400 milliliter dustbin and 275 milliliter water tank, while the 694 only has a 350 milliliter dustbin. Now let's take a closer look at their cleaning performance. When measuring CFM of both units, they are fairly close. The combo maxed out at 4.7 CFM, while the 694 peaked at 3.9. In our carpet deep clean test, the combo scored 90 out of 100, while the 694 scored 75. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums have a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect keeps them from falling down the stairs. Both units are lacking LiDAR navigation and camera sensors to allow advanced mapping, or really any mapping for that matter. The good news is the combo is able to clean in row-by-row pattern, a feature absent from the 694. Moving on, let's compare battery life. The combo is equipped with a 2400 mAh battery that can last up to 120 minutes, while the 694 is equipped with an 1800 mAh battery that can last up to 90 minutes. Regardless of model, if the battery gets too low, they will automatically return home to charge. In regards to mopping, it is really easy to refill the water tank and remove the mop pad for cleaning. Another important factor to consider is the smart features and connectivity options. Each vacuum uses the iRobot Home app and gives you access to control your vacuum from your phone. Set a schedule and forget about it, view your cleaning history, or even clean with your favorite voice assistant. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The combo costs more than the 694, but it is a new release and comes with an upgraded cleaning system and mopping functionality. If you prioritize mopping, more powerful suction, and slightly improved navigation, then the Roomba Combo Essential is your best bet. However, if you seek strictly affordability with a tried and true vacuum and can forgo mopping, then the 694 offers excellent value.